Okay, so let us discuss this code first. As I already told you, this Flask is module and this Flask is name of the class, and this is a function, or it is also called render method sometimes. It has double underscores in the beginning and here also. It is, if you have seen the previous videos, long back I had created a video regarding this also. So it is used to associate with the currently active module. Okay, so in this case, whatever module is active, it will be associated with that module. Okay, and this is decorator, and route is actually built-in decorator for Flask. Okay, and I have yet to create a video on decorators, I believe. Decorators are actually they are usually called function decorators, even though they are used with classes also, but most of the times they are used with functions, and they kind of adjust the existing functions behavior. So for example, in this case, this is forward slash is actually this actually represents the URL. So in this case, this route decorator associates the URL with the function 1. Okay, that's what it does. So it is associating this URL with this function. All right, and another important thing to remember here, or to note here, is this is a normal function using DEF. Function 1 has been defined, and this I've already told is return type, and run function is used to run the web app. When run function is called, it is kind of asking the web app to start running. That functionality has been completed, now you should start running. This is what it is actually kind of doing, okay, in this case. And when I actually ran the program, this was the output, right? This is the output, and when you see press Ctrl plus C to quit, this actually means that your Flask has been installed, because I executed this program not to create a web app, but actually just to test if Flask has been installed and if it is working properly. So this statement, or this line here, shows that Flask has been installed and it is working. Okay, and since we have already used Flask in the code, right, I've imported it, I've used it here. So since we have already used it, when I run the program, the built-in web server starts performing its operations. And as you know that for a web server, what is the confirmation? How do we know that it's working, right? So web server is waiting to serve, in a way. Now I'm trying to put in the right words. So web server is waiting to serve the web request at this specific address, this address. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to copy this and then go to the browser, whatever browser you're using, and then paste it. Okay, can you see the output? Flask has been installed. Okay, this is how it works, right? So I hope you understood why there was http:// and this address. Okay, you just need to copy this URL and paste it in your browser, whatever browser you are using, and you'll be able to see the output.